Life is always full of surprises and challenges. Many times, these situations cause us to feel overwhelmed. Part of knowing how to manifest new things is learning how to deal with these obstacles when they arise. Throughout this journey, I've created what I call my spiritual toolbox to help me cope with problems. From calling on archangels, asking for signs, or envisioning solutions. Yet 10 years ago, I stumbled onto another tool, which proved to work like magic. It's called hooponopono. This Hawaiian healing prayer for the soul simply translates into making things right. In a nutshell, it claims that we store in our subconscious mind all of our past memories. They're stored there like the recycle bin on your computer. Hooponopono is the act of deleting them and erasing the karma that shows up in our day-to-day life in the form of new problems. The story of Dr. Hew Len is fascinating, and you can check him out on the link below. But in essence, it claims that by asking forgiveness for all the wrongs that we have done, we are cleansing our karmic debt. Simply stated, if you can feel it, you can heal it. The 4 phrases of the prayer are: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. It is important to note that the only person you are asking forgiveness from is yourself. This Hawaiian healing prayer has worked for me in hundreds of situations, from personal relationships to business ones. So I thought it was worthwhile to incorporate it into this package. In the next meditation, you will have the opportunity to use the 4 phrases toward a problem you wish to solve. So let's get started. Allow your eyes to gently close. Taking a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for 4, 3, 2, and exhale. Taking another deep breath in, holding it, and release. And one last time, deep breath in, and slow exhale out. Continue to breathe in and out, allowing your body to find a natural rhythm of breathing. Let's begin by relaxing each part of our body. Beginning with the crown of your head, allowing it to relax. Relaxing your forehead, down through your eyes, allowing your nose to relax, through your cheeks, relaxing your mouth and your tongue. Allowing your neck to relax. And with the next inhale and exhale, relax your shoulders, allowing any tension you are holding to melt away. Continue to breathe as you relax your arms down through your elbows, relaxing your forearms through your wrists, allowing the palms of your hands to relax, and releasing tension all the way down through your fingers. Taking another deep breath in and exhale, relax your chest, releasing even more tension from your body. Allowing your abdomen to relax, down through your thighs, relaxing your knees, down through your calves, and all the way down through your toes. Envision a white light gently floating above your head, allowing it to open up each one of your chakras. Beginning with your soul chakra, allowing you to enjoy a continuous flow of alignment and inspiration. Moving down to your crown chakra, allowing you to be open and receptive, focused, and continue to transform. Allowing the light to continue down to your third eye chakra, in between your eyebrows. Allowing you to enjoy a raised intuition, motivation, and guidance for solutions. Allowing the light to continue down to your throat chakra, opening up your center of communication, creativity, and expression. Allowing the light to continue down and grow and expand around your heart chakra. Allowing you to feel joy and love at its highest vibration. Enjoy compassion and positivity. Guiding the light to continue down to your solar plexus chakra inside your chest. allowing you to enjoy self-confidence and love. Allowing the light to continue down to your sacral chakra, below your navel, helping you to enjoy abundance of energy. And finally, allow the light to continue down through your root chakra at the end of your tailbone. Enabling you to be safe and protected. You are now connected to Source. Imagine you are walking along a beautiful beach on a warm, sunny day. Feeling the soft sand underneath your feet. The cool breeze from the ocean. And the warm sun against your body. With each step you are taking, you are now becoming more relaxed and at peace. Walking along this beach, you notice a small white cottage house. Walking inside, you see that it is empty, except for a long mirror leaning up against the wall. Moving toward it, you begin to see your reflection. I now want you to envision yourself as a young child. Looking deep into your young eyes, you realize that they hold all the memories you have ever experienced. Allow your heart to fill with love and compassion for your young self. And now, take this opportunity to heal the painful memories using the Hawaiian Healing Prayer. I love you, dear memories, and I am grateful for the opportunity to heal all of you and me and release the karma. I'm sorry. It took me so long to realize this. Please forgive me. Thank you for being a part of me and allowing me to grow and evolve. I love you. Use this space to heal a current situation or problem you are experiencing in your life right now. Envision an ideal solution that you would like to experience instead. Allow your heart to fill with joy and excitement in seeing this new outcome play out. And release. Walking back outside to the beautiful beach. You are feeling more relaxed and free. With each step you are taking, you feel light. Take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth, feeling the peace throughout your body. Taking another deep breath in and exhale, feeling the joy and excitement in healing. And one last time, deep breath in and long exhale out. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Great job.